How to fix OneNote not typing error in Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help you fix OneNote not typing error in Windows 10. 1. Check on your keyboard for potential issue. Try a different /new one if possible. 2. Update your OneNote app. 3. Resync your OneNote application. Four. Log out then back in your OneNote app, settings accounts. 5. Save your work, then launch the close this notebook option. 6. Save your work, then launch the open in desktop app instead. 7. Repair your OneNote app, Office Suite. 8. Scan your system for potential malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 9. Give Evernote or Notion a try.